we're out here today with the FIMI, and we are going to try out, see if I can show it to you here. We are going to try out the Pro battery. This is the square one. The Pro batteries are the square ones, and the non-Pro are the round ones. So we're going to try the Pro battery out today. Marcus said he didn't think it was that hot, so we're going to just fly it around for a little bit to see how it acts, see if the thing drops down, you know, the power on there. So far I'm real happy with the FIMI Mini. Yeah, cancel that. We don't want to do no firmware update right now. I just want to try out this new battery. We got 10 satellites. We got 11 satellites. That's good enough for me. We'll get some more. It's a FIMI. We'll get some more when we get up in the air. Oh, there goes that green light. It's flashing back and forth. They'll come in a minute. There's 12. Now it got 12. Well, so far I will have to tell you guys that I like this way better than the Xeno Mini so far. So far I'm a much bigger fan of this thing. It's still only showing 12 satellites, but you know, it is, you know, it's very overcast. I mean, I'm looking up at the sky right now and you see there's no openings, okay, for any satellite signal to come through there, so. Look down here on the tennis court. And, well, yeah, they got rid of that little thing there. And the walls of it. And then they put a fence around it now. So. As you see, winter is setting in here. It is December. I'm not sure. I see a little bit of shimmy in the video. So I'm getting a little bit of jello with this thing. But you know, FIMI gimbals, man, they do not like cold weather. I know my other one doesn't. The X8 Mint or the X8, the big one, it don't like it at all. Man, the video goes to crap when the weather gets cold. So this FIMI might be sitting until next year, because I can see the shimmying going on with that right now. I can see the jello. And it wasn't doing it that bad when it wasn't so cold. So. So, you know, no dropouts on the range or anything. So, yeah, real nice. But you see that, you see the jello, you see the shimmying. Of course, that might be because of the speed I'm going too. I'm going 23 miles an hour. Let me slow down a little bit. Maybe the air is pushing on the gimbal. The wind. So, yeah, it doesn't seem to be doing it as much now that I slowed it down. So I'm only doing 8 miles an hour now. Yeah, okay, sure. Yep. Yep, FIMI, no like a de cold. FIMI gimbals, no like a de cold. I have plenty of experience with that with the other one. And so the Pro battery has went, it's down to 80%. And it's been going like 5 minutes. So it's right above me, by the way. There I am. Yeah, so it's down to 77. But I like the way this thing flies, guys. I mean, I already knew the FIMI gimbals aren't worth a crap in the cold. And it's what, like about 40 out here? Plus the air blowing on it. It steers real nice. I can tell you that right now. Okay. It's doing it. It works. Okay. Okay, so I'm at 65% of the battery at 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, so you know the Pro battery is for your, you don't have to register, so. All right, guys, flying great, man. No complaints. I'm gonna land it up. Okay, so that's how you do it. You just let it land on your hand. Like the minis, I always got to snatch them out of the air and twist them around, but this one and the Hubsan seem to be able to do it. No problemos. All right, guys, have a nice day, man.